Hi everyone, it's Chloe here from the Chloe Bruce Academy. So guys, moving on to the drills for today. 5 drills. We're going to repeat the whole 5 drills 3 times. So 3 sets of 5 drills, okay? So the first exercise, number 1, we're going to come down, okay, onto one elbow. So one forearm, one hand, and one knee, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to do a side kick here, bring in, round kick there, side kick there, round kick there, okay? So your choice, you can have the opposite hand keeping you there for balance, or you can place that hand on your hip as well if you want to give it a more advanced option. And I want to see 5 on each side. So side kick, round kick is 1, 5 on each leg. Let's go. Guys. Okay, next one I want you to do is a back kick. So again, we're going to be on all fours. We're going to lift one leg off the floor and do the back kick with that leg, okay? And then we're going to bring the knee to chest. So feel free to arch into the back, bring that knee to chest and snap it back out again, okay? 5 on each leg, let's go. Drill number 3, you're going to place 2 hands down, bring one leg to the center, and that's your balance point. Okay, so you've got like a tripod balance. From here, opposite leg is going straight out on the angle here, and we're going to do a semicircle with that leg. Over and back is 1. Okay, so I'll just show you an example. From here, we're going to come up, here, and back. That is 1. I want to see 5 on each side. Let's go, guys. Very good. Drill number 4, we're coming back onto that forearm here, okay, on the angle, other arm supports, onto one knee, turn onto the side like so, okay. It might be easier to get that arm on the hip for this one, entirely up to you. And we're going to do leg raises here, like small pulses, okay. I want 10 on each leg of this one. Let's go. We're going to come up into like a tabletop position here, okay? Extend one leg, and we're going to do front kick raises, up and down, nice and controlled, okay? 6 on each side. Let's go. remaining. Let's get straight into it. Grab a drink if you need to. If not, let's keep going with set number 2. Drill number 1 is the side kick into the round kick, okay? Forearm down, one knee down. Let's go. Drill number 2, back kick from all fours. So place one leg in the middle in the center, extend one leg out, knee to chest, extend, 5 on each side. Let's go. The semicircles, okay? Come onto all fours, place one leg in the center and extend that back leg. Over and back is 1, 5 on each side. Go. This time, come forward onto that elbow, change the knee just slightly so you're on the side, so you're on more of the shin, and we're going to do side kick raises, pulses, 10 on each leg. Let's go. Set 2, come on, let's go. Coming onto all fours from the front this time, pushing the hips off the floor. We're going to extend one leg, raise up for that front kick, switch. Okay, 10 in total. Let's go. Guys, set 2 complete. One more set to go. Come on, let's do it. Grab a drink of water, hit pause if you need to, and let's crack on with set number 3. Well done, guys. It's your last set. So moving straight into it, we are going on to one forearm, one knee. This opposite hand down for balance, if not on your hip. Side kick straight into round kick, okay? Let's go, 5 on each side. Good. Drill number 2, we are going onto your hands, okay? Bring that back leg up straight, out at the back of you. In, knee to chest, back out, 5 times. Let's go.
That's just love. I would never let you down. That's just love. And you keep on thinking that's just love.
Drill number 3, come down onto all fours. And we're going to do the arcs with our leg, the semicircle. 5 on each side, let's go.
That's just love. I will never let you down. That's just love. And you keep on thinking that's just love.
Good. Straight into drill number 4. Come down onto one forearm, one knee. Extend that side kick out and leg raises, 10 on each side. Let's go. Today, drill 5 of set 3. Let's go, front kick raises, 10 in total. Push hard guys, dig deep, feel the burn and go.